Hey, what's going on, guys? Faiz here from Faiz Media. So today I'm back with another interesting video for you. So today in this video I'm gonna be covering everything you need to know about Rapid API. So Rapid API is a API marketplace to create and sell API, and you can actually make some money by selling your API. It is pretty simple, as simple as switching on your PC or switching off your PC. So let's get into the video and let's see are you be able to create and sell your API or not. Rapid API is a API market platform where you can actually create and sell your APIs, and you can actually use APIs for your projects as well. So as you can see on my screen, we have couple of APIs here by categories, and you can see we have some APIs which are currently on trend. There are a bunch of APIs to scrap the data, or you can actually build any tool using AI as well. As you can see, you can colorize video, ChatGPT 4, AI content detector, and I think you might have seen some sort of tools that detects, okay, you have used AI in your content. So yeah, that tools using the data from these types of APIs, um, which shows you results. And this, as you can see, AI Google keyword research for SEO optimization, and you can actually use this to API in your tool. You can actually translate this to a couple of different languages as well, Object-C, Python. You can actually request example response will be like this. These are the keywords. Free, you can see free email marketing and low CPC, high CPC rate. Also you can see parameters using this API, headers, although we cannot see body content because we have to subscribe their API by hitting to subscribe. Obviously they have some plans, basic, pro, ultra and mega for the larger projects, and by hitting the start free plan you can actually able to subscribe their API. And as you can see, I'm subscribing it for my workspace, and send your thoughts. So now, as you can see, I have successfully subscribed to them on a free plan, and I can able to see test endpoint option button here. If I hit test endpoint, it's gonna show me the results, and let's see what it will show us. Oh yeah, so you can see we have got our results endpoints, and we have couple of endpoints here, like almost all the keywords are included. Upwork email marketing, competition value is low. You can see low CPC and high CPC rate as well. So how you can create your API here on Rapid API and sell it, and you can actually make some money by monetizing your API. I'm gonna show you that. You just have to visit Studio, click on the button API, add API project, and name your API like Faiz Media API for scrapping Apple data. Now in this API you can actually get the latest Apple updates and integrate those to your website or blog as well. So you can actually choose category. In our case, it is related to technology. So I think we have technology here, or we can just select news and media as well. So it's personal team. So import data from, you can actually import using JSON YML file, um, using your GraphQL file as well, or you can upload simple text file. Or in my case, I don't want to add any import to this. And let's see. So it's gonna ask us couple of different things to, in order to public our API. We need to first add the logo. I have a logo here. Alright, and website is optional, other things are optional. Okay, so the currently visibility of our API is private. We need to make it public, but before that we need to add at least one endpoint to that in order to public our API. So let's come here and add any endpoint. Fetch iOS update of all times, anything, and add any description for it, and just go straight away save it. As you can see, our endpoint is successfully updated, and you can actually edit it and copy it as well. So you can actually add some plans as well. I want to add basic and pro plan. Pro plan for about $6 or something like this, and rate limit. Don't want to add that. Need to add this as recommended plan, so that people pay more for this plan instead of going for basic plan. Here you can add some features you are offering in your plan as well. I don't want to get into it. Obviously, go to journal. I think you need to upload logo again. Make it public. I confirm that I own this API and I'm publishing API according to the terms and condition of RapidAPI. Make it public. It is asking from us to add URL, but we don't currently have any URL. So let's hit save, and you can see the data was successfully updated and our API is public. Now let's see. Okay, so now it is asking that no payout account linked. Revenue from your API project will be held by RapidAPI until account is linked. So if you don't attach any payment account or any PayPal account with your RapidAPI account, so what RapidAPI does is currently they hold your money, and once you add your payment account to RapidAPI, it's gonna release that payment to your payment account. So it is pretty straightforward. There is nothing expensive in it. And let's see how our API looks like. Just go on API marketplace, search in here Faiz Media. As you can see, our API is showing here on marketplace, and it is live actually. Faiz Media API for scraping Apple data. In this API, you can get actually the latest Apple update and integrate those to your website or blog. Let's hit to this API, and you can see actually our API data will show here. You can use any language you are working on. You can actually generate requests. You can fetch this as well, and example responses will be showing here to you. And there are some parameters. Obviously, I didn't edit any parameters to it. The header will be like this. You don't need any authorization to use it. You can add authorization if your API contains sensitive data, obviously, and the version is 1. You can actually test endpoints as well. It will show the endpoint results here. If you remember, I added a dummy endpoint because I I don't have any plans to build any professional API, so that's why it is showing us error here. Alright, so this is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you never miss any update in future. And if you really want to see these types of content, then hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next video.